Welcome to the Florida Everglades Holiday Park airboat tours and rides. This is the perfect place to experience the natural beauty and ecosystem of the Everglades. As you board your airboat, you'll be greeted by your knowledgeable guide who will take you on a thrilling ride through the Everglades.
Grab onto your rope one, and by golly, hold on tight because we're about to get fast.
As you speed through the water, you'll have the opportunity to spot all kinds of wildlife, including alligators, snakes, and a variety of bird species. The Everglades is a one-of-a-kind ecosystem, home to a diverse range of plant and animal life. Your guide will share fascinating facts about the area's history, ecology, and the importance of preserving this natural wonder for future generations. One of the best things about the airboat tour is that it's an eco-friendly way to explore the Everglades. The airboats are designed to be low impact, and the experienced guides take great care to ensure that the wildlife and vegetation are not disturbed during the tour. If you're looking for a truly unique and unforgettable experience, then the Florida Everglades Holiday Park airboat tours and rides is a must-visit attraction. It's perfect for families, nature lovers, and anyone who wants to experience beauty and wonder of the Everglades.
That would be out of self-defense. That's him thinking, I'm the threat, I'm the predator. But more than likely, for that same reason, he would make an equally explosive movement only to escape. Either way, there'll be some massive explosion of energy. Massive explosion of energy. All right, these guys don't keep a whole lot of that stuff. They don't do that because almost, every gator in this pit has been here long enough to realize that I am not going to hurt him. And where you going, man? Don't walk away. And once that kind of settles in, there is no real motivation to make these huge explosive movements they're so famous for. Every time you see a wild alligator, or a crocodile for that matter, making those explosive movements, that's absolutely exhausting for the animal. These guys are ectothermic or cold-blooded, so they really only have a handful of those moves in them before their bodies begin to build up with lactic acid, and eventually they can never move. So if these guys all know that the worst possible outcome that could ever happen is me sitting on the back over here for like 10 minutes, telling some really bad jokes, not worth fighting me all out for the next 15 minutes, and then being totally exhausted for the next hour or two while that lactic acid slowly remetabolizes. Just not worth the trade-off. If there's one thing they're good at, besides ruining my life, it's conserving energy. You look at a good-sized gator like Hector the Bone Collector, Godzilla, Mr. Fahrenheit, Debo, Darth Gator. These guys can easily go 4 or 5 months with no food at all. This is what they do for a living, and they're really, really good at it. It doesn't mean they love me, we're friends.